Hello everyone. I'm having some problems currently with sharing trading view chart. I have no idea what's going on. I will try to fix it in a couple of minutes. I have no idea why it doesn't share the trading view chart anymore. There is some bug. Blank screen, why the hell? What's going on? There is something wrong with sharing. What the fuck? It doesn't show the screen from the trading view. But I have opened it. What's wrong with OBS? I really have no idea. I really have no idea why it doesn't share the screen. It's supposed to. Okay, I think I found it. Oh, perfect. Whew, I think we did it. Perfect. There was some settings. I don't know why it has changed. It should be as it was. I really don't know what happened. But finally I fixed it, so you can see the screen now perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. You can see the screen now. Yeah. Okay. So welcome everyone. Welcome everybody back to the live streaming sessions. Hello, hello. How's it going, everyone? Are we trading anything? I did a mistake today. I did a mistake today. Do you guys traded the dollar pairs? Did anybody in the chat traded dollar pairs? Any dollar pair? Just type in chat if you guys did traded it. What happened to me on dollar was crazy. I really don't like when that happens, because before I went to sleep I was watching the dollar pairs, especially the Euro Aussie for buy and pound USD for a buy, and I make an assumption that the chart will not move during the morning, okay, until the morning. So I will just have to wake up 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock a.m. my time, and then I will have time to make a decision and take the trade. But things didn't go as well. Okay, at the midnight I felt very tired because I do work out now. I'm going to the gym 5 times per week, and I am trading very strong now to the failure almost. So I felt very tired at the midnight here in my time. So I felt asleep very deep, and I didn't catch the dollar pairs because of this, because I thought that the market and the dollar pairs will be ready in the morning so I have time to sleep. But that didn't turn out as I expected, because during the night there was a sell stop and I didn't have a chance to enter it, and this movement is very nice. Now I wouldn't do anything. I will patiently wait for the setup to complete. I won't rush into any kind of trade. We'll wait for the pullback and see what this pullback will give me, what kind of risk reward will I have. But now DXY looks like a sell if it is confirms. Okay, so if it doesn't confirm, then I will still not take the trade. All right, I have to be very disciplined, and this is the exact moment where I shouldn't lose money. This is where most traders are losing money, because they couldn't handle themselves. They couldn't control themselves, so they jump in the trades like that. And this is the very important moment where I should hold myself, where I should be disciplined, and where I have to remind myself about the rules that I'm waiting always before entering. Okay, so I need to have the setup before I will be entering the trade, no matter if I miss anything, if the trade is nice, and so on, because chart can still turn. So for me currently there's no trading at any dollar pair, but for now I will keep monitoring it. Okay, so I will be watching it today and tomorrow. Even during the night this can happen, this can appear over there. I have to be very cautious and watch it how it develops. I really would love to see their very nice pullback. All right, I wanted to go a little bit lower and then something like this, and then I would be taking the sell all the way down to at least break that low. Okay, so that would be the minimum. This kind of the movement, this will be the minimum that I'm currently aiming on dollar pairs. Because if I don't wait for this kind of behavior, if I will not be disciplined, if I will be trying to trade out of aggressiveness, I will become very non-disciplined. This will be exact similar as if I will go right now and jump in the river without knowing in which direction I should swim. How strong should I swim? Where should I aim? What should I do? Then I will probably drown, because I will run out of energy and I will drown. There are high probability of drowning over there. So this is exact similar moment with trading right in and there from that exact moment. I shouldn't be trading out of need. I shouldn't be trading out of some aggressiveness or some payback. I have to stay disciplined, because the market, what it can do, market can still do this. And that's the moment why I have to wait for this over there to prove to me we are going even deeper, further to the downside. Okay, I have to be disciplined. I have to wait. It's really easy to open the trade. It's really easy to jump in the trade when market is giving you some sense of feeling that you missed something. But hey, no, that's not the way of trading. I shouldn't do that. I have to wait, be organized, and let the market prove to me it's going to the downside. This can go now today. What could happen? This could be something like this, and it will go up, and then I will have a wave to the downside during the night, maybe tomorrow or today in the evening. But I don't think today at the evening, I don't think there will be anything. I think this whole correction will take up to at least 4 hours. I think at least 4 hours are needed to complete this correction, to show me what the price will do, to prove me what it will do actually. because it can still go price right in and there from where it is right now, can do this, and then it can go up and it will pull back and then to the upside, and I shouldn't be stuck over there with sell. And that's the only reason why I have to wait for my setup, wait for not jumping the gun, save my money. I shouldn't do anything. All right, EURUSD, same there. All right, this is now the way to the upside. How does it look like? Daily. What do we have right there? This is the structure for more upside. Now this, everything, it's impulse, this is the corrective, and we are going now to the upside. Very, very nice movement. It can further extend all the way back to this high as well. So there will be bunch of buy setups. So I have to control my emotions and focus on my rules, how I enter, why I enter, and especially that I will not trigger the trade out of some needance. I should enter out of discipline, right? Because look at that one. That can go now in the correction, or it can reverse as well. So this is why I shouldn't trade until I have a clear sense of direction. This went lower. And what the price can do, it can do this and then go down and then it will go up. This will just confirm me more upside. So then I will be in this trade. But it can go to the downside as well. So what the price can do as well, it can drop, it can pull back, and then I will be selling it. Okay, I will be selling it then. Okay, this will be then my sell setup and take the trade all the way back to this low at least. These all are possibilities which I have to be open to. But I don't need to guess. I don't need to guess which direction should I trade. What I have to do, I just have to sit down and patiently wait without triggering any trade. But when I see the setup, when I see the confirmation, then it's my time when I have to strike. Then is the time when I have to trade. But for now, until I don't have anything, I just can assume, but there is no confirmation. I can assume anything. I can assume that much possibilities. I see a lot of options over there. I see this doing this, correcting and going down. This will just give us the huge correction over there, and then going all the way back to this low. Okay, so this will be this could be the trade, or there's another option as well. This can go into the sideways now, and then breaking the low and then going to the upside. So I have to be very organized right now and very focused on those fractals, how the chart will be opening, which part of the wave it's already appearing, what we currently have, which correction it's about to appear. These all are the things that I have to be focused on the chart right now. But as it stands right now, I shouldn't be trading. That's not my trade. I have to wait now. And it always does. Okay, the market will not go anywhere without proving me the direction. But this is definitely going for one leg higher. How far? 270. It can go at least to 270, right? If it corrects. So if the chart will give me the proper solid pullback, 270, but I think it can go even further to the upside. All right, if I go to the daily, I think we can go much further to the upside. So this is the minimum 270, which can be easily passed. Okay, the market can go through that 270 and it will go all the way up. I really do think if we get the correction, we can aim much higher than we think. But this, like I said, now this will definitely take up to 5 hours. Don't try to trade like this, from there selling down to this, there buying up and then down and then up. So don't do that. There's no money. I want to get in the trade and hold it for as long as I can. This will be my main focus. This is how I will be trading it. Pound USD, same there. Look at that one, daily. Daily, this has much more opportunity to go at least up to the trend line. This will just give me the big huge correction. Okay, but still from there, there's the higher probability the chart will go one more leg lower, because as it stands right now, I have to be very careful because structure looks like for one more leg lower. So what I have to do now, same there, watching how that develops. Okay, there is some pullback already in the making. If I go to the 15-minute, there's already something, so I can observe this one and then I can take a trade if I see. And if I will decide, I will take this trade. I think it's very nice movement over there. It's about up here. Can go lower as well. It can go, but not like that. It has to drop, then it will go and pull back, and then it will go lower. So I don't see sell setup currently where it is right now. And what is it showing? More upside currently. All right, so that could be the buy setup. Buy setup and going all the way higher. Could be nice. Nice move. Nice wave to the upside. USD daily. I think we are going higher now. And this to correct and more upside. Very possible movement that we can have over there. Let's see what this one's trying to do. I think it's trying to correct. This will be the 1 hour correction, but be careful, it is not ready yet. What the price will do, it will correct over there a little bit more, okay, and then it will go lower, and then probably again over the night we will have this one more extension to the upside on all dollars. Very possible scenario, and I think I will monitor it very closely today and during the night if it will be needed. Okay, this is something that I have to observe over there. Observation over there, it's a key factor. Key factor right now. Yeah, definitely. We'll see. But up, yeah. Let's draw that so everyone can understand what I'm talking about. This is going a little bit higher and then going lower. And then from there, I do anticipate that the price will continue its way to the upside. Very possible. Very possible move and scenario that could develop there quite easy. News in USD. This one's heading upside already. There is a correction. How far this can go? Let's see. Is this completed? Yes, it could be completed one daily. Oh, this is even bigger one. This is impulsive structure, and this is going down like this, and now we can go up all the way back to this, even go above this. So I think this is the correction. So if I delete this one, what I believe this is the A, B, and this will be the C, going above this, and this everything together will be one huge correction for more downside, for one leg lower. Okay, this is very possible scenario to go lower. So I will be aiming a buy setup over there. I think it's worth of trying this buy over there. Come on. Okay, I will take everything off, so I will mark those which I will watch. This one, very good one. Keep an eye there. We have to take in consideration this chart. Can go higher, yes, easily. We can see much stronger move over there. It's almost at the beginning, so we have to monitor it. I don't see any deeper pullback over there, at least not for yet. Dollar can start driving crazy. And this will be the zone, yeah. I will be monitoring this one quite closely. I will monitor this one as well. I said pound USD. This one can be already finished for watch. This is not so good, so not ready yet. I think I will cancel it. This is good for watching. This is what I will watch. This one is what I will watch, and new is what I will watch. Okay, so these are the pairs that I will watch. USD Chief. What do we have over there? Definitely going lower. Daily broke through. Now we need a pullback, and this is the move which I can aim. 1 hour. There's missing part of the structure. This going down, and this going up, and then it will go lower. Okay, so we have to wait. USD Chief is something that we have to wait. I think during the night or tomorrow early in the morning, my time. I don't know what this is your time, but let's say next 12 to 15 hours this is about to happen. The direction will be confirmed, and we will know what the chart is about to do. It will clearly tell us, but for now I wouldn't chase it over there. I wouldn't chase it. Let me just delete this one. USD CAD. Very ugly structure. Very ugly structure. If this is everything, I need to have a confirmation. If this is all that we have, if this is the correction that it's completed, I need to have a pullback. I need to have a pullback now. Same there. This one going down and then up and then going down. Very, very possible. Looking structure, alright. So this can happen. We could have interesting night if those setup will appear over there. If something like that will be happening, but I will not take them all. I already have my watch list over there, up there. Maybe I can even take into consideration USD CAD, but not yet. Gold going up, nice. Okay, we were discussing about that yesterday. It did start going up, going nice, very, very, very nicely. So there is some money for those who took a trades over there. It's doing nice. This one is doing nice. Let's see how to put it. Definitely no sells. Still buying. Still more buys can be loaded over there. Or stop buying it at all. I wouldn't buy over there. I wouldn't buy over there. No, that's it. If you bought it down there, now it's not definitely a time to buy. So skip it. Silver. If you bought it, very annoying movement, very annoying and very slow movement. It would be hard to make money over there. Because it's not going fast as it should. I think this is the move. This was the move. Now it's going up and it's pulling back again. It's a headache. So I wouldn't take a trade over there. Would rather skip it. GPY. This one still has a room to the upside. Still has potential. But working great, right? We've been forecasting it. Alright, so if you go back and watch the Friday movement, on Friday I was saying to you that we will have a buy over there. So that's it. Works pretty nice. Pretty nice. I see still more upside. If you're able to catch it, you can catch it. There still will be some moves over there. This one going down, it will give you the running flat probably, and then going up. But this move to finish somewhere up there. So very nice. This move was how long? Already 2030 pip. Very well done. You see, every part of the structure has been forecasted. This one is going slowly, but still, I do believe we will go to the upside. This is nice pullback. We have a break now, and these two continuously push higher. Leave it like that. These two continuously rising. Keep an eye there. Very good trades on yen. GPY, KGPY. Same there. Pull back and keep on going. This one buying. Okay, so monitor it very closely. What this one is trying to do, probably it will do something like this. Come on. It will do something like this, and then we will be heading even higher. Now it's just struggling somehow. It just wants to go into the deeper correction, but I don't think we'll have a deeper correction over there. Alright. Aussie yen pushing higher and higher. Very good structure. I think that's everything we had from the structure. I don't think that we will go break down. Really don't see this kind of the scenario. Even one problem is there. We break the top, this becomes so dangerous now. Okay, so because we break the previous top, I wouldn't rather pick the Aussian. Okay, there are many other better looking charts than this one. So I wouldn't watch this one. Definitely no. This one is almost done. Almost done at the top. So what I will watch is this one. Pound yen. This one can be a good one. This is what I will watch. Yeah. This to drag, there is still potential. Go. Yeah. 290, 80 pips, something like that. Still room. Still a way to make money over there. So you can watch it, trade it. New Zealand CAD. Okay. It's at the target already. This one's going. Why this is going? It works like the magic, you see? If you were on there on every live streaming session, from the New York live streaming session to the London live streaming session since previous week, you probably learned something and you were facing those forecasted moves. Okay, so this was the trade from there. So if you go back and watch the live streaming from 15th of January, okay, 15th of January stream, you will see that I was saying buy this one, buy this one, buy this one. Okay, so this is the move. Very nice, pretty nice movement, sustainable movement. Can you still trade it? I think not anymore. No, it's gone now. I wouldn't take a trade over there. How far it can go? Still a little bit higher, and then that's it. I do believe that this is just a corrective structure. I think that this is the 1, 2, and 3, and somewhere from there we will start heading to the downside. Possible scenario. Very possible scenario that this can be heading to the downside anytime soon. 15-minute, we're building very nice buy stops over there. Okay. Not a chart anymore. We have better charts. Aussie Chief. If this corrects, yes, then more buy is coming. If this goes like this and pulls back, and then this will be tomorrow a very good sell stop, but we will be talking about tomorrow about this chart. It's not currently ready, and it will take up more time, so we will take this on tomorrow. We will talk about it tomorrow. Euro Aussie, this one can go lower. It's building there some sell stop, as I can see. All right, so look at that one. What do we have over there currently? Can this one go for one leg lower? Yes, this one can go for one more leg lower. So what is it currently doing? It's correcting. It is nicely making a very nice flat actually. That was very nice flat. And this to go downside, very possible, but don't just jump into the trade. I wouldn't do that. I will observe, I will wait for a pullback, I will wait for the correction, and then I will take a trade. So wait for it, okay, wait for it. But anyway, it's good chart to watch. If it corrects and give you the setup, then yes, go for it, go for it. It would make a lot of sense. Euro New Zealand, not trading it. I don't like it currently. No, skip it, skip it, don't do anything over there. So Euro Aussie can be for watching. Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie, yeah, this is where I took the last partial profit since I have it from there. Okay, so I had sales from there, and this is yesterday where I have taken the last partial profit. The 90% of positions were closed over there. Why? Because we break the previous low, and I have taken 90% of the profit off. I took profits and leave small position on running from the top as well. And yesterday I closed it, it went lower, it went up. Now I don't like it currently as it looks like. I have no idea what is it trying to do, what is it trying to tell us. This is very weird correction currently there in the making. I hope this is not a contracting flat. There are sometimes a contracting flats that looks like that. Contracting or running flat, alright, this is very highly possible scenario. And if this is so, then we will have a correction over there. It's currently maybe in the making, and then this will go for more downside for this last push to the downside. Very possible scenario as well, or it will extend up and give you the setup from there. So anyway, don't trade it right now from this current standpoint. Wait, okay, wait, let it prove to you. But definitely much better trade is buying from the bottom. Buying it from the bottom is much better idea. Pound New Zealand, I wouldn't trade it. How far? Can go still more. This less, but I wouldn't take a trade over there, so skip it. No, it's getting confused and momentum it's slowing down. EURUSD, this friend is still trying to go lower. Let me figure out what kind of structure do we have over there. There's definitely not a buy structure. How it looks, this last part of the structure, it's not looking like a buy setup. Breaking out of trend line, like I said, it really doesn't mean anything. You need to have a setup before deciding to getting into the trade. So this could still be in the corrective phase, and we will be heading to the downside now again. 1 hour, very possible. 15-minute, yes, quite possible. It can even go one more leg higher and then it will go lower. Okay, wait for confirmation over there and then take the trade to the downside. This could have a nice move down, but don't just sell it. Like I said, you need to have a confirmation and then you will be taking the sell all the way down. Actually, that's a huge movement. It's a very good and nice move over there. So keep an eye on it. I will take it if I get it. If I get the confirmation, if I find a way to enter. I am always waiting for confirmation. I don't just jump in the trade blindly. So this is very possible movement. I will mark it as a potential for watching it. I will definitely keep an eye on it. And this one to drag lower, very good. Very good looking structure. Yeah. Keep an eye, yeah? Good shot. Good shot. I'm seeing it going down. Pound cat. Hmm. This one's still struggling over there. I don't like it. I think it will go lower, but I wouldn't trade this one. It will go lower, but I will not take a trade over there. EURUSD. Wonderfully for those who has this to hold through that mess up and down. And now what the price is trying to do is still going downside, right? Daily. Great, so we will be monitoring it. Let's see what this is about to do. If that gives some sell setup, if this gives something like this, that's definitely a nice sell. You have to take it. Take it, and all the way back at this low, this will be the target you can achieve and get from this trade. Could be nice trade, right? Daily. Yes. We could have this move to the downside. So keep an eye on it. It could be a good one. I wouldn't take this one because I have already a lot of charts that I will be monitoring. I don't want to monitor the whole market. I always filter out to just monitor a couple of them, because if I will monitor all of them, that's not good. I I could I could not see everything properly if I will be watching everything across and it will mix. So I don't like to monitor everything across the market. So this could be a correction for more upside. Look at that one. This can go for one leg higher, very possible. Okay, something like this. Yes, and then we'll be going downside. Let's see. There it could be something in the near future. If it corrects, then you can, oh no. If it corrects, then, and if it corrects and confirms, you can take it. You can take a chance over there. It could be a nice one. And now this heading to the upside. Don't just blindly buy over there. Wait for it to confirm and then take the trade. But I will monitor it, but would probably take dollars or something that I like to trade, and GPY rather. Your chief. Skip it. I don't like it. Your GBP cat chief. It went lower. It's correct. I didn't trade it. Now it's at the top at the trend line where I don't like to trade. Depends. I will delete this trend line a little bit or move it, so in case I will not be confused. 1 hour, nothing. 15 minutes, nothing yet. There it could be something during the night maybe. If this pulls back, going up, giving you the structure for sell, okay, you can take a sell. Then this will be a nice sell as well to take into consideration. So keep in mind this pair. If it does this, yes, don't just get in. Okay, this is going down and then up and then down. Okay, only if these do so. Okay, don't jump. Aussie New Zealand still pushing lower. All right, this is going lower. That's not probably something that I was watching. There will be. You see how my strategy is good. It protects me from the idea. So in case if I'm watching it here, exact example, Aussie New Zealand, I was saying I'm watching it for a buy. I'm watching it for buy, but my strategy protects me from executing it directly without confirming, okay, without confirmation from the market. So this is the similar as if I am communicating with the chart. I want to buy, I see the opportunity for buy, but I have to wait that the market will confirms me and give me the chance to go for this movement. That's really important. I shouldn't be just, oh, I think it's a buy, let's go, boom, jump in, place stop loss there and get in. That makes no sense. I'm always waiting for a confirmation. This way, I'm more organized and I'm not jumping the gun. I'm not jumping from the chart to chart, in and out, across the markets, and so on. Then I'm very, 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 very organized, waiting for pullback, waiting for confirmations always. Never ever chase the market. As over there, look, that now protects me from losing. How many of people will be buying because they thought this is the flag for buy, as I thought at the beginning? Okay, so how many of you will press the buy over there? I think many. If you're not disciplined, if you don't wait for the confirmation from the chart, you will be having a buy over there, and that's exact moment where I don't lose, but you lose. I have rules, you don't have rules. I know what I'm waiting for, you don't know what you're waiting for. This is very, very important to understand. I'm not losing money where I shouldn't be losing. I rather lose it where market is saying to me, here is worth of taking it, take it. Because if I win more than 1 to 2, 1 to 1. I will get more than that. 1 to 4, 1 to 5 and plus. That's something I'm interested. Otherwise, I'm not here to place my money. I'm not here to willing to trade. I rather wouldn't trade. But this, what is currently saying, it's saying more downside. See how beautifully chart is communicating with me. This is showing more downside right now. This can, I don't know how far this can go. That's why I won't trade it. I have no idea how far this can go. Let's take it off daily. Yes, this is possible. This running flat is very possible. This going down, this give me then the running flat, and then upside. Yes. Now this would make more sense. But wait a minute. Yes. But this will be quick buy. Not a huge buy in case if I get it. This can go now even lower. I wouldn't trade it small. I would wait now, as the chart has already fallen very nicely. I would wait for the deeper correction instead of chasing this one. So, not a setup for me. Aussie cat. This one went there, reacts over there. Give me any confirmation. No, it's currently trying to tell me something. If this doesn't pulls back up at the top, then this could be a chance. We can watch this one, but can this go up? Yes. I don't believe that this is very nice and very completed structure as it stands right now. This one, let me see this. Did this one break the low? No, it didn't. That's why. I don't believe this is the buy already. I would rather skip the buy, but definitely I would take the sell because this now can be a nice sell. This could be this movement. Alright, not buy. I don't see buy. I see sell. Okay, this would be the sell and then buying it from there. And then I will be buying it from there and going all the way to 270. Possible, right? Very, very, very possible scenario that this can happen. But this movement shouldn't go up now. Okay, so it's very important next few hours that the chart doesn't go retesting the previous stop. If it does retest the previous stop, then it will change the view. It will change the setup. So I have to watch it if I want to trade it. UK oil. I think more downside is there. Yes. Downside very, very possible over there. Now this to start pushing lower, at least to break the low. Now this to go lower, at least breaking those lows, and then it can change. But I think there will be more pullback, and then we will be continuously pushing lower, as it seems like. Buy, do I have any buy? No, I don't see the buy from there as it stands right now. It's really not looking like a buy. It can even stop over there. This is ABC going up. Yeah, definitely this is a good structure for sell if it will start going lower. So you will keep an eye on it. Oil. I don't like this one. No, this one nothing. Nothing. UKOL yes, but it has to confirm. Okay, don't just jump in. Confirmation. US 500. Very confusing chart. Hmm. If it pulls back, buy. If it pulls back like this, then buy. It will go back at the top. But without pullback, we cannot do anything. It still can go lower. Okay, so be careful. This is not a buy setup. That's why we have to wait for the pullback. Pullback, it's telling to us where it's about to go. This seems like the chart will go down, and then from there we will start going upside. All right, so no rush. I wouldn't take a trade over there because I see many better looking charts. Okay, this one. This one is it's completed. This one is completed and it's trying to go up already. This is much better chart, yes. You can watch this one. This one to go all the way back at this top. So this one's good for buy. This one. Keep an eye on it, guys. Okay. NAS. I don't know. This one looks like a sell. I wouldn't take a trade over there. Nothing there. This one went slower. Is it correction for sell? Yes, this can be a correction for sell. Come on. And this to go deeper in this structure. Let's take off. Yes, this can continue this wave to the downside. This one was a great one. Okay, from the top, if you hold it, if you manage to get in, great. Now, nothing. Okay, so I wouldn't take a trade. I wouldn't take a trade, even if this one's showing a sell stop. Okay, so forecast as well. From there, if you go back, live evidence. This is why strategy is so important and results. If you go back and watch the streaming from the previous week, you should see those forecasts. All has been recorded upward. From there to there, I didn't trade it personally because I cannot trade everything. I just pick a couple of them. This can still go lower. This one can still start going lower, but I will not trade it currently. I would wait for a bigger correction over there. I would wait for this and then I will take a trade. For now, no, I don't take it. Nothing for me. Bitcoin, wait for the pullback, then take a trade tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you do so, then yes, I will take a sell. But otherwise, no. Nothing. That's it. Alright, that's it. I think we went through everything. Pretty good charts. Dollar, it's something that you have to keep an eye on it and see how that will develops. Okay, so most of charts always needs a little waiting. You have to wait that the market will confirm you, will tell you. You cannot just jump in, like I'm always repeating from the beginning of those sessions, from the beginning of my streaming. I'm always repeating the same kind of stuff. Wait for confirmation. You cannot just jump in because someone said so that it will go lower, or you read somewhere that this will go up or down, or you have a feeling of where the chart should go. Even if you have the analysis, Okay, you have the analysis. Now you need to have a provement. Chart needs to prove your thinking process. Then you take the trade. This is why it's so important. This will protect your capital, and this will definitely boost your profits, boost your account. You will see your account growing because of this one single decision. Alright, so this is it. I will end the webinar right there. I will be there again tomorrow. So if this kind of webinars helps you, feel free to leave a comment under the video. It will means a lot. Make sure you hit the like button so that the video will be visible to much more wider audience of traders that are still out there seeking for help, searching for education webinars like this one, and totally for free, so that they can educate themselves and integrate total new view of the market, total something new. Okay, so you will make something good for the others as well that are still struggling out there, don't know what they're doing, still frustrated and so on. So take care, enjoy your day, and make sure you